Hello guys, how's everyone doing today? And welcome back to another PrizeCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to format a number with leading zeros. Let us now go to our service script service. We're going to add a script. In your script, just enter the following lines. This is a very simple script right here, so I'm declaring 4 different variables. Each one has a different value, and then I'm just printing out the 4 variables as is. Let's play and take a look, but before we do that, let me go to my View menu tab, and I'm going to open up my output window. And now let's play and take a look. So all the numbers are printed as is. Now what if you want to, instead of printing 333 here, you want to print 0333. So you want to pad the number with leading zeros. As you have seen in our show, the PrizeCP ChatGPT show, we needed to print a pin number. So we have to pad the pin number, the pin code with 4 different digits. We cannot print 333 alone. We have to print 0333. Let's go back to the script and see how we can do that. In order to print a number with leading zeros, we're going to first convert that number into a string first. So instead of printing this number C here, right, I'm going to first convert it into a string using string.format. String.format function is going to take 2 parameters. The first parameter is the format of the string. So I'm going to start with code and then followed by percentage. And I'm going to put in 0 for D. 0 means to pad my string with leading zeros. 4D is a 4-digit decimal number. The second parameter of this function is going to be my variable. So my variable here is C. This here is going to convert my variable C, the content of my variable C, into this format, which is a 4-digit decimal number with leading zeros. Let's now play and take a look. And there you see it. It is a 4-digit decimal number with a leading 0. Let's now take, for example, if I want to print A, I want to convert A to a 2-digit decimal number with leading 0. I would do something like this. I'm going to paste this in here. My variable here is going to be variable A, and I want a 2-digit decimal number with leading 0. Say if I want B to be a 4-digit number, but instead of padding the number with 0, I want to pad it with blanks. I can do this. Here I'm going to replace my variable with variable B. And if I want to pad a number with blanks instead of 0, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this 0 here. So now I just have a 4-digit decimal number, but I'm padding the number with blank. So the number is going to be right adjusted, right aligned, but there's no leading zeros. Let's play and take a look. And here you can see our first number is a 2-digit decimal number, and we're padding it with leading zeros. The second number is a 4-digit number, but we're padding it with blanks in the front instead of zeros. As you may have seen on our show, the PrizeCP ChatGPT show, we use this code here to generate a random pin number for every new player that joins the game. So basically here we have a player added event to catch every new player that joins the game, and then we're generating the random number between 0 and 9999. We're formatting the number and store it into this variable called formatted pin code, and then we're just printing it out. Let's now play and take a look. And there's my pin code. Let me try again. And there it is. We got a number that is padded with a 0 in front. 05555. So your pin code is 0555. Everyone, that's how you format your number with leading zeros in Roblox. Thank you all for watching. We will see you again soon. Take care.